Natural medicine at its best. It is my honey bomb recipe. This is the #1 recipe that I keep in my refrigerator all fall and winter. So the combination of the turmeric, the ginger, the honey can help with digestion, inflammation. So if you have joint pain, helps promote circulation, and it's just like an amazing immune booster. So I know that other people just kind of make a simple recipe. The recipe I posted last year, you guys got back to me and said it actually kicked the crap out of your colds, and it's because we are adding garlic, baby! Antiviral, antifungal. The garlic is like for the ride or die. Like the ride or die health enthusiast. In a sanitized glass jar, 2 tablespoons of ginger, 1 tablespoon of grated turmeric, 1 teaspoon of the grated garlic. Now a couple cracks of black pepper. That's gonna help the absorption of the turmeric. A little cayenne for spice. You can leave this out, but not me. And don't forget the cinnamon. Cover the whole thing with your honey. We will be using raw, unfiltered honey. Give it a good stir. You can take 1 teaspoon into a cup and then fill it up with warm water, or you could be a gangster. Just eat it as is. Please do not skip the garlic.